Hi, I'm Mermaid Catherine, and having Halo here is wonderful during night shows because there's just so much happening and going on, so it's nice to take a little break and get some pets in.
Hi everyone, I'm Mermaid Kayla, and we always love having a visit from Halo because it does get stressful from time to time with all the big crowds and performing, and he always brings some calmness and peace when he comes over.
I just love Halo so much. It gets kind of stressful performing 3 times in a row for Halloween and Christmas shows, so it's really nice to be able to come and pet the big boy. Oh, he's just such a good baby boy. He just makes us so happy, and we love him.
The Weeki Wachee Mermaids love